This AI UGC ad got 250 likes. This one got 14,000 likes, and this one got 50,000 likes. So if you're struggling to create winning ads for your brand, in this video, I'm showing you how anyone can create AI-powered UGC ads in minutes. The real way to use ChatGPT to generate viral ad scripts in seconds, and the one tool that makes AI avatars look 10 times more real. I'll show you this in just 5 simple steps so that by the end of this video, you can generate your own AI UGC ad. So let's get started. Step number 1, find a winning product. And the reason that you want to do that is that no matter how many views you get on short form content, it won't pay your next month's rent. Like this UGC creator is promoting Moringa and ashwagandha and health related supplements. And one of the easiest ways to find winning products is to go to TikTok Creative Center, click on Inspiration, Top Ads. Now we can search for health, select your country as well, or you can do entire world. And here we go. And as you can see, we have
probiotically powered, refreshingly bubbly.
a bubble kombucha health drink. This is very popular in the health niche right now. So that's an example of one winning product, but it completely depends on you. What do you want to sell and what niche do you want to be in? Pretty simple, right? But now we're gonna go to the next step, write the ad script. One of the biggest mistakes I see new copywriters make is that they start prompting ChatGPT directly without a good hook prompt. The reason the hook is so important is like from old advertising legend David Ogilvy. Once you've written your headline, you've spent 80 cents of your dollar. Basically meaning that 80% of the work is getting the headline right. This is old school copywriting, but for us, the hook. A bad hook is a bad video. A bad hook in an advertisement and you spend money on that, you're wasting money. So what's important to your success is that you use proven hooks, proven to work on social media, doesn't matter which platform it is, or taking old school ad copy and using that as a prompt inside of ChatGPT. I have multiple prompts. I'll give you one of them. So the first one that I use is these 30 hooks, copy and paste, because I know that they went viral on TikTok specifically. Like I just scrolled a bunch of them and only copy pasted the ones that had over 1 million views. I want to show you this 30 hooks doc and specifically the first 12 hooks. The reason why these are so incredible is because I spent around $3,000 to $4,000 per month with an advertising agency, and they told me that these 12 hooks are by far the best tested and they are formulaic as well. So if they work in one niche, they usually work in other niches as well. So we're gonna copy and paste the exact 12 first hooks here, and then we're going to tell it that we should make it for our product. And by the way, if you want access to all these documents, they are in the AI Mate community down below. I'm gonna paste it right in here. And since we are in the health niche, so I'll ask it, can you make similar hooks for me that will work for Moringa health supplement? Just like that, the power question. Do you think it's possible to boost your energy, clear your skin, and reduce inflammation just by drinking 1 green powder a day? Already really good hook. So I'm gonna take out one of them. I actually like this hook 12 quite a lot. Most people have never heard of Moringa, but it's one of the most nutrient-dense plants on earth. And once you hear what it can do for your body, you'll wonder why it's not in every kitchen. So let's copy, paste into a new ChatGPT document and then make a winning advertisement following this hook. You can actually get it to do many different ads for you. And if you are going to run, for example, 10 hooks, you can keep all of the content the same. This is what we've been doing and it works amazingly well. I can already see that the formatting here is quite bad. Just make it into a script, no visuals. There we go. People love facts like this. Moringa leaves have 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 4 times more calcium than milk, and twice the protein of yogurt. Damn, I should start drinking this. Now that you have a winning advertisement, I'm just wondering, can you see yourself doing this? No bad vibes. Easy stuff. So let's go to the next step. Create the video with AI actors. And the real reason that you want to do this is because paying somebody a lot of money to either ship them the product and then they have to do the thing is still a viable option, but it saves time doing it with an AI avatar, especially when they look this good. This enables you to be able to run many ads back to back, have your advertising spend a little bit more spread out, find the winners quickly, and then double down on that winner. But the main point here is that it looks realistic. If it looks really AI, it's not going to work. So let me show you how to do it right now. So here is Arc Ads. It is one of the best platforms to be able to do this. They have very realistic avatars, so I'm just going to log in. And now I'm on the inside. I'm just going to take the script that I got from ChatGPT and paste it right in here. As you can see, we're on the text-to-speech mode here. We can also do speech-to-speech, which is for you if you are more casual and just want to talk to it. I'm going to click on Add Actors, and this is where we get access to our AI avatars. You can see that right off the bat, they all look really natural and could be an amazing ad for our product. I think that this girl looks quite sweet.
Hey you,
with
welcome to Arc Ads.
Her coffee cup, and she looks quite relatable being in her living room. So let's click on her.
You can use for your ads.
I think the product is more for the female demographic. So let's try finding somebody healthy. Hey. This one looks good as well. This girl looks like she is healthy as well. So we've selected 3 actors. There are so many characters here. They have filtered it down by the side here. We could even filter it by fruit. Yeah, maybe not.
I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ad. Create a script you think will work well.
Let's click on Add Actors, and we now have the 3 actors in the bottom. So I'm just gonna click on Go. Here you can see some suggestions, the credits that we need. So I'm just gonna generate video. So let's check out one of the results here.
Most people have never even heard of moringa, but it's actually one of the most nutrient-dense plants on Earth. And once you hear what it can do for your body, you'll wonder why it's not already in every kitchen. Moringa leaves have...
As you can see, it's very realistic. Lip movements are on point. Let's take a look at the second generation here.
Most people have never even heard of moringa, but it's actually one of the most nutrient-dense plants on Earth. And once you hear what it can do for your body, you'll wonder why it's not already in every kitchen.
Again, this is the reason why we're using AI avatars, because they look so real. But it's obviously not finished yet. It needs a little bit more fire. So let's go to the next step, creating your ad. So just go to CapCut.com because this is a free all-in-one video editor that is very easy to use. You can download the software easily onto your Mac or Windows. And the real reason that you want to do this is because nobody's going to watch a just talking to the camera video, right? People will have come to expect a little bit more of their shorts or even their ads. So we'll add some captions, we'll add some effects and some footage just to make it that little extra step towards being fire. So let's download the ad. And a mega tip: if you actually are gonna run Facebook ads on this, I recommend not having just one hook. So just go to the top, click on Remix. It will then give you the entire ad script. And then you remember from the hooks step, just copy and paste a new hook in the top. And if you're running Facebook ads, you test these 3 ads against each other and you will find a winner really quickly. because I really don't want you to waste any money, like I have done many times. So let's import that clip and drag it onto the timeline. But before that, remember to subscribe to this channel. We're trying to get to 200,000 subscribers. Also, check out our newsletter, AI Mate, if you want daily updates from the newest things happening in AI. And if you actually want to use the AI tools to help you get work done faster, you can check out our AI Mate school community in the description down below as well. So let's import that clip and drag it onto the timeline. The first step is to add captions. This is very easy. Just go to the top, you see captions here, then you just click on English, and it's so easy to just generate. This still works if you are on a pro plan. Many watch ad without sound, so having the captions here are extremely important. I'm gonna customize it easily in the side here and see if it looks good throughout the entire video. And one thing here, you can see that it actually changed moringa to mangosteen. So I'll just make sure that everything that is in the caption here, again, mangosteen, moringa, is grammatically correct. And you can see that some of the sentences are actually cut off a little bit wrong in sentence structure wise. That was a good sentence. Click on copy and paste in here, and you can actually grab people along just with the captions if you do it in the right way. So now we have an ad that has great captions on top of the entire video, leading the viewers through it a lot easier. But then we need to find some assets. I'm gonna go to Pexels, search for videos and moringa. You can see that we found some cool ones, like this one is actually the moringa tree. I'm looking more for a green drink type video, but this one we can download for completely free and also copyright free. Green drink. Let's check that out. There is about 69,000 videos of green drink here. So let's find one that kind of looks more in our vibe here. I think I like this one, so let's download that. This one as well looks absolutely beautiful. This one looks really cool. Looks like she has some herby things dripping into that little water. That could be cool. May even be cool to have some sort of matcha footage in there as well. Looks very natural. We also have some other things in the script like oranges, calcium, the milk protein of yogurt. So let's get footage of that as well. For this, I'm just gonna use a photo, not a video. Let's download this photo. This one is pretty cool. Now that we have all those assets, I'm just gonna drag them into CapCut, just like this. And we may see that we need more later, but for now, editing time lapse. So I put the assets in there, and now I'm going to do the transition that makes it very captivating. All right, so we've done the transitions now, and it's starting to look pretty decent, but I feel we need some music as well. So I'm gonna go to the YouTube audio library because they have a lot of free and copyright-free music that we can use. Let's search for health and see if we can find something. I think this could be pretty decent. It's a pretty happy ambient. Yeah, this makes me want to drink some moringa. Moringa? Who even knows? Let's click on download, drag it into our CapCut edit, pop it in the bottom, select one of the best parts, put that in the beginning, maybe lower the volume a little bit. So now we have added captions, we've added new assets, and we've added music on top of it to make it a lot more interesting. So now let's take a look at the ad together.
Most people have never even heard of moringa, but it's actually one of the most nutrient-dense plants on Earth. And once you hear what it can do for your body, you'll wonder why it's not already in every kitchen. Moringa leaves have 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 4 times more calcium than milk, and twice the protein of yogurt.
So there you have it, a full UGC ad created fully with AI and it could probably perform pretty well on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok as just a short video on its own, but obviously also for TikTok Shop or even Facebook ads or other marketing platforms. And the bonus tip there, make different variations, specifically changing out the hook. This was all possible through Arc Ads, where you can get these AI avatars. So if you want to get started, go in the link in the description and check them out. Also, if you want your UGC ad business to really take off, I highly recommend checking out AI Mate community in the link in the description as well, so I can help you more directly using AI in your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.